it's Poppy, and I just wanted to share this moment with you because it has been 2 years since I've done any maintenance on my hair, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit on it today. I just did a baking soda apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair, and as you can see, it decided it really wanted to shrink up this time, and which is awesome. It really creates some good dreadage, but you can see some of my brushed out tips are wanting to curl back over and blunt, so I will have to do a little bit of brushing out for that. But yeah, if you haven't seen my video of where I do my first ever apple cider vinegar rinse, I'll link it up here. And it feels really good, amazing on your scalp, and gets them really clean. And as you know, clean dreads dread better. They're getting really thick, and it's crazy because, you know, at the roots on a lot of these, they're really thick at the bottom, but they're still quite thinner at the base. Like this guy. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? That's so big. If you notice my yellow hands, it's because I am on Yellow Week of my Colorful Cleanse, Rainbow Cleanse book that I'm writing. If you want to see more about that, you can go over to my Patreon, where I am giving you all the details of my progress on that. So now I'm just going to fast forward palm roll and see how long I can get these babies. So yeah, for the first 7 months, I did a lot of just messing around with them, playing around with them really, because hey, they're fun. And after 7 months, I kind of went and became a little bit less of a control freak, and started embracing the neglect method, and I've been doing that for 2 years now, and you can tell that they are a little neglected. I really actually like the idea of a crown, and there's a lot of cultures that wear their locks on their head like a crown and treat them with a lot of dignity. So I kind of like that.
What can I hope to find on the other side of this life? What can I hope to see on the other side of this life? Can it be any more beautiful than the Pacific Ocean? Can it be any more magnificent than a redwood tree? Can it be any more beautiful than a human emotion? Can it be any more magnificent than a you and me? Oh, what can I hope to find on the other side of this life? What can I hope to see on the other side of this life?
That's a good long one. Look at that. Finally getting some long ones. Palm rolling really does do something. It really can help to make them look tidy and nice. I'm liking it.
Can it be any more beautiful? Can it be any more magnificent?
The new growth, I've just been leaving, kind of letting it be curly. That's what my natural hair would be like. Okay, I'm done blow drying my hair for now. It's still a little bit damp, but that's because dreads take forever to dry. It did get a little bit longer in some sections though. I was able to flatten out some of those big chunky monkeys. You can see the tips are still needing to be a little bit more brushed out because they're wanting to blend up. But yes, the loops and bumps remain. I think that's just how my hair likes to be. Just wild and free. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to keep the they're roots free too, I think, to do what they like.
Can it be any more beautiful? Can it be any more magnificent? Can it be any more beautiful?
I do think it's getting longer. I can feel it crawling down my back. It's getting there. Well, thank you for following along with me on my journey. Stoked to be at 2 years and 8 months. And all the best to all of you on your journeys that I am following. Look forward to seeing more from you. If you want to see more from me, of course, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like and say hi in the comments. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.